Let's go! Oh my. Oh! Yo, are you good? They were back outside in LA, bro. We're going to the SoCal BMX ride, bro, by SE Bikes. Day one of the BMX ride, bro. Today's gonna be crazy, bro. I'm so hyped, bro. Yeah, we about to be there. Yeah, I got the fast ripper with the lights. I got some new pedals and the Rideout supply seat. I did have white bars and a MT200 I was about to slap on, but it was too late, bro. So we're gonna do that next time. Go, baby. Let's go, baby. This is gonna be a long ass ride out, so I gotta save my energy, bro.
Stranger. Push the fucking back off of the porch or break a pound down. Hit the strap if it happens to blow, it makes a round sound. Say cat on my lap, push it back and go to town down. Putting rap on my back and I'm back and snatching crowns down. Push the fucking back off of the porch or break a pound down.
What the flip? I gotta watch out! Like 10 or 15 miles into the ride, it's already been pretty crazy, bro. I kind of wish I was on my e-bike, bro, and my gears are like clicking. My gears are skipping. Kind of been lagging behind because I can't use all my gears. This gear might be chilling, but I've just been trying to get some wheelies in, you know, practice a little bit. I'm really excited to see the pier and like go along the beach and stuff, see all the people go crazy along the beach. It's gonna be lit. Yo, this shit is ridiculous right here. Holy shit. Oh. What the?
Crawl and float like a serpent cause I'm low to the earth. Is that dirty South Coast leader putting in work?
How does he do it?
From the 15th to the 1st, my hands covered in dirt. Now this ain't a trap, homie, this a goddamn church. Playing with my step.
Oh! Yo, are you good? Nah. Marley!
Where'd the camera go?
Oh, yo, it's right here. It's right here. I got you. Are you all right, bro? Yo, you good? Yeah, I think he's all right. Yo, I pretty much got that on cam, bro. Are you all right? I kind of did. Yo, bro, where'd you hurt yourself? You took that
camera.
Yeah, bro. Nah, bro, it's just the lens. It's just the lens.
I got hit.
Oh! Really? A car hit you? Oh my god, bro. Nah.
Homie, I'ma show you the hearse. I'm a shepherd and a prophet, so I call it a verse. Fuck a bitch in reverse, then I'm off in the purse. She got pills like a
What my back look like? That shit burn right now.
What? Show me. Oh, it's just the back right. You got a little road rash. Yeah, it's not too deep though.
Oh, my axle's big.
Nah. Now you must have hit your pegs, huh?
Nah, I hit the car.
Yeah.
It was a Jeep too.
Ah.
Yo, my whole axle's big.
I looked back and I was like, no,
Texas Jesus, I be smoking out the big sack. Hosey, Trinity, and Baker, that's a big track, big facts. Fuck around and get your wig cracked.
When I crashed my motorcycle, I got all this shit.
Bro, one time I had the worst crash of my life, bro. Going down a hill, I completely had no control of the bike because I slipped off the side of it. And bro, I was going down a hill, I crashed into a curb going like 25 miles an hour.
I ran into a car going 60.
Bro, were you okay?
No, yeah, I was chilling.
Damn, bro, do you have gear on?
Helmet on.
Oh, a
I
helmet?
had like a helmet and like hoodie and shit.
Bro, you just learn from those mistakes, you
That
know?
definitely taught me some things.
Yeah, bro, I tell you what, bro, the motorcycle was taking
No
my
joke.
ass. I'd be on that 450.
Even with the dirt bikes.
450?
Yeah, I got a monster edition.
Oh, yeah? Ah!
what time it goes.
Let's go! Hey, yo, what's your name, bro?
One-way B-Dog.
Oh, B-Dog? Hey, yo! I'll follow you on Instagram, bro.
Yeah, hell yeah, bro, appreciate it.
Bro, you're crazy on any bike, huh?
I'm trying, bro, I'm trying to keep it good on this
Yeah, shit, bro, you prefer the fat?
Yeah.
You the fat ripper?
I like my fast ripper too though.
Hey, Jake, look, you're going crazy. You going stupid. Yeah. Ah. Oh, goodness. What the flip? Oh. Ah. And we just got pushed all the way up to the front by Rob, bro. Appreciate Rob, bro. Oh my God, he's still going crazy. He's still going crazy. Yup. Ah! Oh! Oh. Oh. Yeah! He camera shy. He camera shy. Yes, sir. We going down the GTA path right now. Guys, some bullshit went down, bro. I lost my phone completely. It's gone. It's gone, bro. I don't know what happened, unfortunately. But, you know, shit happens. Oh, my Lord. We are going down the GTA route right now.
What the fuck is that you want me to talk about? You ain't walked a mile in my shoes. I think that you better walk it out. I gotta find something to help me tap it.
Yeah. Alright guys, right now we're just chilling at the spot. We're here at the Venice Beach, bro. I completely lost my phone, bro. So we're just getting picked up by my mom right now, unfortunately. And yeah, that's probably gonna be the end of this video, bros. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll catch you guys later.